Let's walk some more.
Susan's gonna hate she missed this. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. There we go. Good job. Yay. Come on, do some more. Hey, yeah. No, come on.
Who is that? Uncle George. Uncle George, go away. Alice is walking.
Come on.
Yeah. This is easy. No wonder you want to be the teacher.
Yeah.
That's it, buddy. Look how far you've walked. Yeah.